Alright guys, here we have another celebrity checkout. First thing when you walk in, you're hit like with a fist of smoke. It smells like an ashtray in here, which is pretty much the case every single time that these people come. And let me show you why. Ash here, on the carpet, over here, over here, over here. And I've already walked around the house. Same thing in every single bedroom. This is a repeat client. Of course I can't disclose who it is. Maybe someone can guess by what he's smoking and what else is left behind in this house. But I just can't say it for privacy reasons. But I like him and I like his music. That's how much I will say. He in his bedroom, some cheap underwear. And funny enough, I think they're so lazy to walk up to the second floor that they only use the bedrooms on the first floor. Over here, again, smoke the same thing. This remote is broken from the last time. I already ordered the new one. Some underwear. And then over here, one more time, ash on the floor. I don't know what to say. At least they pay for the cleaning fee, they pay for any damages, and he will pay for a smoking fee. So in the end, it's like whatever. Like as long as there's no burn marks in the furniture, I can vent the whole house for a couple hours. I can bring a device like this, which is an ozone generator, and then it will take care of the smell, at least in the short term, unless there's like some other intrinsic issue and people stayed for a month and they kept smoking and smoking and smoking, and then it starts sticking to the walls and to the cushions, to the pillows, and then it's a big problem. But they were here for only 2 days, so it's not too bad, and they pay for it. Last time I saw him, he was all by himself, his baby mama in the car. Now, when they checked in, it was him, a couple of friends, 5 security guards, and personal drivers and everything. This was the master, by the way, also here. Ash on the nightstand on the side. This is like unused. I think they slept here once. Brushed their teeth once, didn't shower, only shower downstairs. And then the other bedrooms up here, not used at all, and also not used. That's how I came to the conclusion that they're too lazy to walk up the stairs, because these people just moved from a different house here 2 days ago, and same thing over there. The most ugly room of all of them, which is a twin-size bed, is the one where he slept in. Like a room like this, where it's just a twin-size bed and a bathroom which is behind the door. And this is the room that the celebrity, who is an actual celebrity, it's not just I'm making it up, he is a celebrity, that he uses, not the master bedroom. Also, when I got here just now, let me get my cap because it's really sunny outside. When I got here, everything was open except the front door, but everything was unlocked, and I'm pretty sure that they have lost or taken one of the keys. Out here, one of these bowls is broken. They didn't cook anything. The barbecue is unused. The bathroom out there is unused. Just a cup out here. And I guess they played basketball. They did have the, we did have the concern of them being super noisy and super loud when they came in. That it even, like, when I arrived and they arrived, the cleaning people were still here, and then there was like 11 cars in the driveway and around, and I already saw one of the neighbors come out and started counting cars, which is reasonable, because why would there be 11 cars on this property? It's not okay. So I had to let the owner know right away to please inform the neighbor that everyone's leaving in a second. But then there was a concern that they might blast music at 10 in the evening outside, play basketball until 5 in the morning, and just bother everyone in the neighborhood. But fortunately that was not the case. Look at this, guys. There's a big avocado tree around the corner here, and I've put these seeds here, and the avocado tree is growing. I might just rip it out and transplant it into a pot so that I can take it home. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's not in the house is not in a terrible shape if you're ignoring that it was only 2 days. Pool is full of leaves, so the pool guy will have to come by in a moment. Look at here, this bathroom outside, not used at all. And then this is the avocado tree I just mentioned. For some reason it's losing all of its leaves, but this tree makes gigantic, like I'm talking massive Jurassic size avocados, and all the way from like October until December. I think I picked the last mango, or I collected the last mango which fell on the ground in January. That's a super long time span of a tree making fruit. Let's see what's on this receipt here. Rollo's Bear. Tito's handmade vodka, 750 milliliters. Anyway, this is in Coral Gables, by the way. So now I'm gonna head back home. But since it's Monday, it's spring break, and with the traffic, it's gonna take me like an hour and a half. You guys saw the kitchen already. There's like leftover food. There's cornflakes and cereal in the bowl here. Fridge is pretty much empty. And inside the freezer, there's just these sausage, egg, cheese croissants with more different ingredients than my age. So I'm gonna leave this for the cleaners. They're welcome to eat this. I won't. I'll have to reach out to them now, ask them about the other key. And then tomorrow morning, the cleaning ladies will come in and clean up after this mess. Hey buddy, are you looking at yourself? Completely unrelated, but shout out to my Twitter oomfie for making me this crocheted ski mask for the Aspen trip next month. Super comfy and fits like a glove. I don't really have any winter clothing, so I wanted something special, and this is nice. Why is my eye so red? I just need gloves, and this is my winter jacket, which I bought on 80% sale in Macy's 2 years ago. I paid like 60 bucks for this. It's a $400. I mean, it's not the nicest jacket, but can you please focus on me? It's not the nicest jacket, but it's comfy, it's warm, and I thought it was a really good deal. So now all I need for Aspen is gloves. And I also have these shoes right here, which I got from Lil Baby, one of his people. These Jordans, they match the color too. And I just pulled out Olivia from my drawer. I haven't actually seen her for 3 days. She's like, if I pull her anywhere, she will always go under this drawer here. And now I just pulled her out so I can warm her up a little bit, because she's probably still digesting this mouse she ate 2 weeks ago, a week ago, a week and a half ago. So I'll just put her under this blanket until I go to bed.